Hey everyone, it's Zach from the Flashquotes team. We just released one of our most powerful features yet, Instant Quoting, and I'm going to show you how it works and how to get it set up in under 2 minutes. Instant Quoting lets your leads get real-time pricing based on their event details and book you on the spot without having to reach out or contact you at all. Here's what it looks like. A customer fills out your lead intake form on your website. So let's say it's in Denver, great. April 3rd, we'll do 2 days of service. Let's add a couple of add-ons. So we'll do custom branded card and custom cups, and then we'll submit this lead. Get a quote. So normally they'd get a message saying, we'll reach out to you with your quote. But in this case, with Instant Quoting, they immediately land on the quote presentation page. So we can see here the total. We can see that this was quoted for 2 days, April 30th and May 1st, including the pricing for the add-ons for custom branded card and cups. So if they wanted to, they could literally book you within a minute of getting their quote, immediately pay and be done. So that's kind of the power of Instant Quoting. That's what we've unlocked here. Now let me show you how to set it up. In your Flashquotes dashboard, it's very simple. You just go to edit your lead intake form, click this instant pricing button in the top left, and here you have to pick a couple of things. One, set up a service if you haven't already with some pricing rules and pick which one is the default. Alternatively, if you have a service picker question, then the pricing will be based on whatever services the customer selects if you have multiple services. Then you'll probably be on manual quoting right now, so you'll just have to flip it from manual quoting mode to instant quoting mode, and then from there it will automatically do everything I just showed you. The price will be automatically quoted and the lead will be redirected immediately to the quote page to book as soon as they fill out the details. Note that Instant Quoting right now is a Pro-only feature, so you'll need to upgrade if you're not on the Flashquotes Pro plan. So that's it. Hope that's helpful. Hit us up with any questions, and we're excited to release this feature to you guys. Thanks.